Good afternoon. I'm going to be making some walnut chocolate chip cookies. This is a variation of chocolate chip cookies that I made earlier. And what I did was I froze the remains from a large batch I made with extra chocolate chips. And I also crushed some walnuts to add omegas and some healthy antioxidants in there. So now I'm taking out the frozen dough. And I had it in my freezer, so I defrosted it here. And now I'm just gonna quickly butter this pan. Because once you make the dough ahead of time and freeze whatever remains, it's super easy. Because you can make these so quickly and so delicious. And so I just scoop in here with this little scooper and plop it there. And I just do that each time. And I defrosted it, so that's why you see it kind of mushy here. But I had this in the freezer. And now I'm just scooping it here very quickly. Scoop and drop with this ice cream scooper, which makes it super easy. And this is from the remains of when I made an earlier batch. So I have it here. And now I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Lock my camera here. Place it inside this oven for about 350 for about like 8 minutes or so. It depends on what kind of oven you have. Like, if it cooks really quickly, then less time. If it's very fast, heats up very fast, less time. But if it's slower, then of course more time. And so I made a batch before, so I'll just show you from the previous batch. And these are like walnut chocolate chip cookies. They're super soft. And they're so delicious. They're so chewy. And there's a health component here because they're made with coconut sugar and light brown sugar and granulated white sugar, and also the omegas and antioxidants from the crushed almond. And then dark chocolate is also very healthy, minus the sugar. So there is a health component here. So if you want to make it healthier, just crush up some walnuts. And you get your omegas. And they're just as delicious. I would say even more so. Enjoy.